Welcome everyone to our new topic, Algebra, based on the JSCE syllabus. What we are doing here is a little bit higher than the basic, where we started from the primary school syllabus. First, let us get a clear definition of algebra at this our JSCE level. Algebra is simply the use of letters in mathematics. At most times, we use letters along with numbers in algebra. Check the following expression carefully. A. 5 plus 7 minus 1. B. 3 times 11 divided by 2. C. Y plus Y plus 2Y. D. X plus 3X minus 2X. Let us analyze what we have just written. Expression A and B involves numbers only. Hence, they cannot be called algebra. Whereas expressions C and D are algebra, since they involve both letters and numbers. The use of letters was not introduced into mathematics to make life difficult for learners, rather to make things easy. We can write out the whole continents in the world using letters to represent them. Small letter A for Africa, small letter E for Europe, small letter N for North America, on and on. The next concept we want to discuss here is coefficient. Coefficient is an important term in algebra. The ordinary number standing by any letter is the coefficient. It can be thought of as a person standing by a dog, where the coefficient number in bracket is a person and the letter is a dog. Just as we can identify a person easily when we see him, so we should be able to identify coefficient in algebra. Let's take some simple examples. List out the coefficient of x in the following. 1, x, 2, minus x, 3, 5x, 4, minus 100x, 5, x over 6, 6, minus x over 5, 7th one, 4x over 5. Solution. The case of number 1, the coefficient of x is 1. The case of number 2, the coefficient of x is minus 1. The case of number 3, the coefficient of x is 5. The case of number 4, the coefficient of x is minus 100. The case of number 5, the coefficient of x is 1 over 6. In the case of number 6, the coefficient of x is minus 1 over 5. In the case of number 7, the coefficient of s is 4 over 5. Next, we take simplification, grouping of terms in bracket. Our first example, simplify 9c minus 2c plus c minus 4c. Solution. Grouping the positive and the negative term together, we have 9c minus 2c plus c minus 4c will be equals to 9c plus c minus 2c minus 4c. What we have just done, we collected the ones that have the same signs together among the c's, the plus sign together and the minus sign together. The first term, 9c, is carrying plus, even though it is not shown. This is the practice in mathematics. Our solution will be equals to 10c minus 6c. What happened there? 9c plus c is 10c. Then minus 2c minus 4c is minus 6c, which is equals to 4c. Students and our learners should note that to simplify and to solve are not the same. So students should not write equals to 4c equals to 0. That is danger. Another example. Simplify 22x minus 5x minus 8x plus 10x minus 4x. Solution. Grouping positive and negative terms together, we have that 22x minus 5x minus 8x plus 10x minus 4x will be equals to 22x plus 10x minus 5x minus 8x minus 4x. And that will be equals to, we can now do the addition on the addition side and the subtraction. The minus item, we add them all together. the positive item, we add them all together, and that will give us 32x minus 17x. The result is equals to 15x, and not 15x equals to 0. Another example. Simplify 3y minus 10y plus y plus 7y. Solution. Grouping the positive terms together, our result will be 3y minus 10y plus y plus 7y will be equals to 3y plus y plus 7y minus 10y. And that will give us 11y minus 10y. And our result will be equals to y. Another example. Simplify 4y minus 3y minus 8y plus 12y. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have 4y minus 3y minus 8y plus 12y will be equals to 4y plus 12y minus 3y minus 8y. And that will be equals to 16y minus 11y. And that will be equals to 5y. We've come to the end of this subtopic. Next, we have a few exercises for you to try your hands on, and we'll proceed right away to the new subtopic, grouping among unlike terms. Example. Simplify 8x minus 3y plus x minus 4y. Solution. Grouping like terms together. 8x minus 3y plus x minus 4y will be equals to 8x plus x minus 3y minus 4y. We've just collected similar terms together. Now our result will be 9x minus 7y. Another example. Simplify 13m plus n minus 6m minus 3n. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have that 13m plus n minus 6m minus 3n will be equals to 13m minus 6m plus n minus 3n. Our result will be 7m minus 2n. We just subtracted in the case of m, and in the case of n, you have plus n minus 3n. So you'll be left with minus 2n. Another example. Simplify 8x minus 4y plus 13x minus 13y. The options are given. A. 18x plus 17y. B. 15x plus 17y. C. 18x minus 17y. D. 21x minus 17y. E. 15x minus 17y. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have that 8x minus 4y plus 13x minus 13y will be equals to 8x plus 13x minus 4y minus 13y. And that will give us 21x minus 17y. What we have just done, in the case of x, we added them. It's plus. In the case of y, they are minus item. Both of them are minus item. Just like you're adding all bad items together, bad oranges together. And so that's why we got 17 minus 17y. Another example. Simplify 6a plus 7b minus 8b minus 5a. Option A, 11a plus b. Option B, 11a minus b. Option C, a plus b. Option D, a minus b. Option E, b minus a. Solution. Grouping like terms together. 6a plus 7b minus 8b minus 5a will be equals to 6a minus 5a plus 7b minus 8b. And our result will be a minus b. What just happened? 6a minus 5a will give you a. 7b minus 8b will give you minus b, because the spoiled item are more than the good one by one there. Another example. Simplify the expression 2x minus 5y minus s plus 2y. The options are given. A. 3x minus 7y. B. 3x plus 7y. C. x minus 3y, d, x plus 3y, e, x plus 7y. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have 2x minus 5y minus s plus 2y will be equals to 2x minus s minus 5y plus 2y. And that will give us x minus 3y. Another example. Simplify the expression 32e plus 6f minus 12e plus 4f. The options are given. A, 38e plus 6f. B, 30e plus 8f. C, 28e plus 9f. D, 20e plus 10f. Solution. Grouping like terms together, we have 32e plus 6f minus 12e plus 4f will be equals to 32e minus 12e plus 6f plus 4f. And that will give us 20e plus 10f. We've come to the end of this subtopic. Examples on this subtopic. We will take some exercises which I advise you try your hands on. And we'll move quickly to our next subtopic, opening bracket and grouping of terms. This is a follow-up from the subtopic just finished, and we are required to open bracket before grouping like terms together. The use of signs like minus times minus equals to plus, and minus times plus equals to minus, and plus times minus equals to minus, and plus times plus equals to plus is very much needed. Okay. Example. Simplify 2 into bracket open 3x minus y bracket close minus 3 into 2x minus 3y bracket close. The options are given. A minus 11y, B minus 7y, C plus 7y, D minus 11y, E 11x plus 7y. Solution. Opening brackets first, we have 2 into bracket open 3x minus y bracket close minus 3 into bracket open 2x minus 3y bracket close will be equals to, in the first case we are using 2 to multiply the bracket, so we have 6x minus 2y. Then we use minus 3 to multiply through the other bracket, and we have minus 6x plus 9y. Here, the knowledge of minus times minus equal plus, and minus times plus equals minus, or plus times minus equals minus help a lot. Next, we group like terms together. We now have 6s minus 6s minus 2y plus 9y, and that will be equals to 0 plus 7y, which is equals to 7y. Another example. Simplify, bracket open, 6s minus 3, bracket close, minus into bracket open, 4 minus 4s, bracket close, minus into bracket open, 3 minus s, bracket close. The options are given. 10x minus 11, B 11x minus 10, C 12x minus 10, D 12x minus 11, E 14x minus 12. Solution. Opening brackets first, we have bracket open 6s minus 3 bracket close minus into bracket open 4 minus 4x bracket close minus bracket open 3 minus s bracket close will be equals to 6s minus 3. The first bracket we have little or nothing doing there, just to remove it. Then minus will now multiply the product of the second bracket, all that is in the second bracket, and that will give us minus 4 plus 4x. Also minus will multiply whatever is in the third bracket. Then we have minus 3 plus x. Grouping like terms together, 6x plus 4x plus x minus 3 minus 4 minus 3. And that will give us 11x minus 10. Another example. Simplify 4 into bracket open p minus q bracket close minus 3 into bracket open 2p plus q bracket close. The options are given. A minus 2p minus 7q. B, minus 2p plus 7q. C, 2p minus 7q. D, 2p plus 7q. E, minus 2p plus 9q. Solution. Opening brackets first, we have that our given problem, which is 4 into bracket open p minus q bracket close minus 3 into 2p plus q bracket close will be equals to 4p minus 4q. We just use 4 to multiply the first bracket. Then the next bracket, we are going to use minus 3 to multiply through, and we have minus 6p minus 3q. Next, grouping like terms together, we have 4p minus 6p minus 4q minus 3q, which will be equals to minus 2p minus 7q. Another example, simplify 3 into bracket open a minus b bracket close and minus a into bracket open 2 plus b bracket close. The options are given: a minus 3b, b, a plus 3b, c, a minus 3b minus ab, d, a plus 3b plus ab. Solution. Opening bracket, we have the problem 3 into bracket open a minus b bracket close minus a into 2 plus b bracket close. It will be equals to 3a minus 3b. We have just used 3 to multiply the first bracket, content there. Then minus 2a minus ab. What happened? We use minus a to multiply the second bracket, and that is our result. Next, we collect like terms together. So we have 3a minus 2a minus 3b minus ab. And that will give us a minus 3b minus ab. Another example. Simplify bracket open y plus s bracket close raised to power 2 minus 2xy. The options are given: a x squared, b x squared minus 4xy plus y squared, c y plus s squared bracket open and close raised to power 2, d s squared plus y squared, e s squared minus y squared. Solution. Opening up bracket, first we have our given problem: y plus x bracket open and close raised to power 2 minus 2xy will be equals to y plus s bracket open and close times another y plus s bracket open and close then minus 2xy. What we have just done, we've interpreted what y plus x raised to power 2 mean. It means multiply what is inside the bracket, multiply itself twice, and that is the result. Opening the bracket, we are now expanding, so it will become equals to y into y plus x into y plus x bracket open and close minus 2xy. What we have just done, we have used the product of the content of one bracket to multiply the other bracket, which is the mathematical pattern. And our result will be y squared plus xy plus xy plus s squared minus 2xy. We've just opened up our brackets. So next we have as our result y squared plus 2xy. We added the xy that are in between, and then plus x squared minus 2xy. Collect like terms together. We have y squared plus 2xy minus 2xy plus x squared, and that will give us y squared plus s squared, which is same as s squared plus y squared. We are through with the examples under the subsection. Next, we have our exercises taken from page 91, hidden fact in JSCE mathematics. Please try your hands on those exercises. Answers are given at the answer section of the book, either the soft copy or the hard copy. Thank you.